Today we are going to make pindi chole, and for that take some oil in a pan. Now we are adding some jeera, and then we are adding some cardamom and cinnamon stick and bay leaf. And now we are adding some onions. Now we are adding ginger garlic paste. Now we added chopped tomatoes. Cook it until it gets mushy. Now we are adding some haldi, turmeric powder, and then chili powder as your requirement. Some coriander powder and some jeera powder. So adding cumin powder, we are going to add some salt. Mix it really well. Now we are going to add chana. This chana is overnight soaked, and after soaking we get it cooked. Now our choles are cooked well. Now we are adding coriander. Now our chana is ready. While adding chana, when you are adding chana to the pan, cook at least 15 to 20 minutes. Thank you.